Hello, teacher. My name is Jennifer Renteria Murillo. Part 3 question. All university students should do part-time work while studying. I believe that it's not an easy task to work and study, but is visible because you get great benefits, including an extra income work experience that will allow you to develop skills to perform multiple tasks. What are the advantages? Students who work and study at the same time have the possibility of gaining professional experience in a work environmental and may even be able to obtain a letter of recommendation in the future. Obtain extra money, gain connection and relation. It's what are the disadvantages? Working is a challenge for a student since feeling pressured by the different jobs offered by the university often make you feel exhausted with little energy. You don't have time and you have to sacrifice moments of fun to fulfill its of the obligation. What is your opinion? It is a person challenge to work and study at the same time. It implies responsibility, willingness, and desire to meet it of the proposed goals. But being able to work, training, experience, and paying our academic expenses. Thank you.